Whatever that is good, what doing is what doing well. Actually, I don't get personal hatred for that girl. That girl, she's a girl. She's a girl. Yeah. I don't get personal hatred for her. But what is good is good. And I mean they talk now this one affect cause problem between people when they say I be their mama. Me, I can never use my family to make prank on media, my marriage. I can never do it even if no matter I want be rich. I will never. If you are here, gualo. The marriage me I will prank. You try because a bonatin of that many did me with because let's see where one is okay. Let's one is wemu. Our honey at your bonamakai. Me they book by Zanzanself. Yeah. Okay. So what? Why? Okay, this is what I'm looking for. You understand? So now come back jam one video. Hey, Shanshan baby. Oh, what if you gonna? Imegi ginye. Ona ye tuze. Ah. Oh, do you know way? Oh, no way. Oh, no way. So now come back jam one video. Ah, oh, no way. Oh, way. That person too go do you. And you say you are apologizing to your husband or whoever. Let's see it anyway. Yeah, when you block him, I wanna block him. I'm gonna block as a mama. As a mama is a bossy. Yeah, block it. I block him. He mo bomb interest. He matema video. You understand? He mo bomb no interest. He matema. One break a share video where he share. Where he take wala mogu. It's inferiority complex. It's a lot of you who are boa. Wait till this Shane Francis or the girl's band they talk for math. Oh God, your talk no make sense. Just imagine. I was say where you at your bonnet that for when they but where you we talk about make it say but me what love, but me what fall in love with. Loving money being. I know when you loving money. Share this video, guys. Share it. Share it too. Cool. Call me. Come here. Daddy. I need to be tonight. Egbena magwalo. Agwa kukere yo. So agwa no gwa vere. Magwa kukere yo. But matter where this social media. Everybody I need to prepare ya gwa yekuye nweme yuwe ya ro. Wabega mebie yorine. Jibu na rene vie yorine. Ala ekwe do ya tutahone ngona we fiawo. Areva crazy wani. Just the zuzu, just the play. My me rock. I give an no. What is it with you?
We be say two husband and wife go just be to God. Shine, my sister. I am very happy for this settlement.
Who settled them?
Thank God, though. You don't put enemy to shame.
Who settled them? You what do? What can we bring la dian? Lawa, sister call Lawa. Lawa, get inside. Awa bijua. Will you get inside, my friend? Agionuji, agwa way. I deleted so never. We deleted the settlement. Oh, I don't know what you can imagine. Oh yeah, let's go there.
From my leftover. It's ready to eat from my garbage.
When I listen,
from my leftover. It can never be me. It can never be the same table I eat from. Never be the same table I eat from.
Let's analyze this. Amen of fear.
And you guys don't mind because you don't have a standard for yourself. You guys don't mind because you don't have a standard for yourself. You have not set up a standard for yourself.
Look, so we're not saying that child good. We're not saying the standard in a good way. Attached to the kunwe ya sikmiya we me sure we no diade. I'm not even to. In fact, me sure we brush we never see and the matter that ya no ya avec leg. We make we. Ima wa we de ma we yege. Ima we yege. E part 1 no ya delete e part 2 gibere. Part 2 name I did not mention. The priest Mumu self-love. I proclaim the name. Asaboro mama na mama. I appreciate you. Say, mama go we appreciate you. They where is about space that women my day. Yeah, mama like mama like mama like matage. Mama no see. The matage are not all that glitter that are good. Mommy money where some more in here. We are very okay because everyone goes when they might be your friends, they might just be somebody who just like you from afar. They might just also be putting it as a like what I don't know what is she going through at this minute. They might also use it as a by maybe banana budozana. Sister, sorry, Osoro. Ma love you, the maya hine dagba oye dogbo. So you both should learn how to carry your family issue inside the house. Okay? Let's go there.
Category. We don't belong to the same class. Okay?
No, class well. Then we wear my blog class. I know. You might be here, my worry. Analyze it.
I just want to use this medium to pass a message across to some of my colleagues who are desperately on my husband's inbox. My colleagues, yes.
There is no colleagues of yours that is in your husband's inbox. That is the truth. Amen. We fear now. We man ya dey tio yo dene. We azese here. We here lawa. Those are the things. When you say you are a celebrity or you are this, you are that. Oh no, mana haya kaga but I would put with my quite dead said no you know I'm because when say to make that part of the problem you work that is what he correct also talk about okay ka bologo na correct ologbe on your see no bav no nya dinanya na correct is too big for you because we made that IQ, we made that knowledge to correct lies. Because man here correct oge, always be yoga ya semagi yo be yoga ya Susana yo, all night correct oge. Without that setting, my dear girl. Everyone wait here, colleague who went in boss of that for me no mo bohi. There boni weka, eboni bad no dia day. Can't you see she's doing well? You are only being jealous of her. There boni we feel like they feel ame we gbe. Egbe boni my marry. And on him marry back where you will be shocked. Me like a no man I marry. That is the truth. Because the marriage is already no. Eh, you why so they love Queen Genia. When I want gonna na me abie seven father. When I gonna no mine no be any more of bana. Seven father muge po we mania. Muge Peter we mania. Amuge Suze we mania. Muge Patrick we mania. I know na my Vivienne yage. Rokpa we mania. Eriyo do aru ya ajobo pineru wala yoto. Eru wala na yagba na yagbi ona gas why 5 Joshua. No jobo no bo tie ikorium. Nobody when you wanted to be not even say go at least side chick forever for Eruwala. That was your dream, man. Were you not to somebody's snake? Men is for everybody. We are your back of the world of where for my your brother and you love mess where you are. Hello? Who was making a wall? My swan fuck your wow. Ave muma dio wa ave ko nu pa en bedire ave hu ebe bedi we umene ama go na no je gure ye no mu me afre wa da fu me magbugwe ne me aize gbugwe e family da fu yin la da do te vie la wo si ai e agbewa umene ago ho no je gure ye no mu very useless somebody fiega me gole no gole onodo si pataziti we I over here go fafa ve igugu game me over here ro lawa ekwemugwe to start with. Are you not ashamed of yourself? About we are daughter. The best mate here 25,000 naira we are here about we are bo no kike bob new model about the fire.
I know where those anger came from. I know where those
because you are a naggy wife. Umade compose. You are not even exposed. That is why you see it as somebody was against you in your marriage. Or that for where Nigeria might have hold over where. Ere Nigeria ba all lads young so sachi koge off look big boy. Never. Aba fi look big boy when you look bobo here. When you go a gaga you bobo. When you go a gaga you go pastor. When you go a mona you the pastor ya webo e cannot hoof your way. Hello.
Hello.
What talk by sir? What's I say something? Don't know what talk by. Yeah, do
Hello.
Sir. Oh. Oh, power. Ah. Oh, pa gume gagya kuyo egbe no tukia. Domo. Domo, no wala yemi no ta.
chair, no,
Okay. Listen.
If you leave, I'm going to get another actress to replace you. Some of you, and you guys have proven it on the social media. You guys have proven it on the social media. So my ex, some of you were also, you went to eat from the garbage. I left. For this, my husband, you are still waiting for Shine to leave so that you come and eat from the garbage she left. Can't you just step up your game? Can't you guys step up your game? Can't you step up your game? You mock me, and you are wanting what you mock. You mock me, and you are wanting what you mock. You guys need a life. You guys really need a life. Hey, mo when I am no more. Na me na kwere ya beza baku. No me muwa. I am na mamuwa. And before I married, some of you never still marry. I don't born. At least some of you never still born.
You see, those are the area. Even if you want to apologize to your husband or anyhow, the wrong or gonna give you high prank, anyhow, really put it to be. The thing is, bringing your marriage and use it to make a prank is a no. What the Panawa call it, but when you was say, well, Mema, I son me, I had to go when Mema care. Mema, how the mayor de boy, make I know what me mena, Mema je dross. Me a young boy, major, you man, and yaga penty your uncle. Or who go pieces say ya because what Mema tarry. And I go if you bojo, who what the for what Daniel no. And I go at your Daniel. I be no matter. Eriyo bowa, they don't get pranky. It was more ladian. Mema understands. Everything we're doing, even till now, the handwriting is written all over your body. When my day okay, you know. But imagine na me rene bana bele face me. Even no makeup gay. If you rene, zare bed me ya nesi. Imani de kia ike vie. Imani de kia women I wake and give ye. Ni me ya wake and ya vie. Iwaje. 21 years. Iwa kie. Iwa the sippy. We want like beds. I'm good to go. I get my phone there. Ivie, in a giant gym you talk for the next working hour, and which is very necessary. Here where ego or my girl Marioja, where marriage. Any marriage or for your information. Except a money and or duome or even duomeja. Most people will home today. Iya rove, iya yege, ikate na we no de. Ikpeso wa ye rove na gonati an domo yi ko okia no ya gere, no ya agbasha wore. Yi jeso ye rove na jeje na ogbe no we no go no we wo vi no ri go ni. But we cannot, guys, I have anything to talk about it because Agbona self, you know. Agbona don't self, you know. Now you are talking of marriage, walking out don't tell me marriage in here. Wo do tell mo, we no ma be lack before. Omo pa we bien Solomon na ni una pe pade ru gwala. De to ro pa we bien ne. Anu fa we bien na ni anu ma ko ye kuro here. Number 2 you are counting it. We mo be laughing na we are going to people are looking at you. And everyone world will get better. And so have a billion de nene. Or here ma. So bien 5 children, 15 father. Ona yaje. Or I want to know part of what is it now. Me 8 fathers. Now what man tag 8 father no. Even now where a messy kekewe itoa. Erakba ero awerio. I wanna do tell when I was doing your money of no wa be begwe no merare rokba. O we gi je so adake be monera betami monemeje. Eru we be ne u le room no bi ya nye sota ma bege wa so antemo mo na so wa le ma gwata ma we here because one thing no my can go ya gbina emomo emod wodona why ya gbina mostly emomo wa afie pari omoyin wa okun go wa do won gbina di anya the pant e can fiupo mo gwa o ma do bo fiu we e ya retaliate wa he to wa gbogeswe wa sia o if te bobo no we sia don tam yamia o se ru na be go vie sera na rioji ikpian big boya muda yoto iba condemn money mama ha mo we ti magba be yo vie ko ana wole vie ko ya wa re wana gania ona kiyoto ibi na zolola dia then ona deve ke wi le wo boy kanom my man is social media you are not saggy. I greet you, but speak well. My man is social media. Ima wanye o kakabo. Mami mani wa mo do no warugo eni. Forget to. We mo do other 3 days, then other 72 hours. We was you just like that. Now you are saying well, yes, Sudovanya, you marry your mother. Who laugh last, laugh best. No what the wajinanya. Ogie pranko, ogie real, or will not villa jananya where you can never. You will never. So we music yakbe. So we pranking no. So we not no. We can go wa benela. For me, she's a guy. It jama high. No me. Tell that way no me friga o cavolo. No me friga yet. A capito cosa ye detto. O ma friga venyete. O ma friga ve ikulo. O ma kame. O ga ho wa di water for me de go wa mo do bete solo mo me what wa like it. That was say abana mia why am I solo I love you. Ya me like be ya. I can go myself be me aso. Ale brokos any ano ya no gari un 2 job no figure you figure wa rewota iwe dali years go and bath our la we bata ba sabi we my va wie over tiri my value we my kajamere ya kwene na do sam me no kwa vi block you we ya kwa there where vi block you we it should be put there a block jacozi wa a block you know way my sister la woman dear e can feji on amone by this time even so work sit in Nigeria with Wajeni iya jeki ya joko e kini atuta ye na do ala yan oti kunyan hin they bet when you see their cars when you see their luxury everything is luxury one year is luxury a dig bagbe portable luxury house or as a portable compound luxury or mimoto ni lo portable be costable luxury yo me. No matter what, you're coming out to come around, to come around. You think we are playing here? Don't disturb my energy. I would try. I ate it. As you say, make Solomon come yesterday, make you test on the digging. The dig. Now is shine. Come quickly settle with. Oh, what are you playing? Well, imagine na we ma bere ko ni gbe oko me. Agba we me na we bere. E gbe oko me. Ye wa di oda fori wa bole wa. Isa we no ta bole bo di ro wodzo. Iro wodzo. Ma komita do trie suzi. Iro wodzo. Igba agya. Igba de ni me amare. Adore me a shege phone ni de here by social media re for your information. In the way when I tell you, that's the me. I who saw the phone. Yeah, cotton no. Who tell me if you did it? Yeah, who says Solomon? Yeah, moo or a girl. Yeah, one with Virginia. Yeah, moo a body. I was fearful and I ride you. Make get the future. When you are was in here, work but the phone is okay. A bonny atene over watch it, we're better than ever women. What when you are Benny and Bezanza? For me, I'm somebody with a very big respect. That's why we beg him, I know why we were wrong. We can make power and better, we not even insult him. Bad, how will you feel? The same, I was saying, when you were Why you say you are done well for apologize? You know when we apologize, but they are not telling you where you have done well. Madam, you have done well. Don't mosiba. Don't lie. Don't wait. Mobile ni mi enwe yo. When mi awati do balo e panty kwada. Te we adon nyaga we dross ya no ke ni file kwa. Iwe di okono e prank. Yeah, if you am that my family, one wula or imine.
Talk. What are you guys? I don't know what to call you guys. Let me just leave it there. You guys, I'm not the problem of you guys. And I don't even know if you guys exist.
Do we banana dia? We mad ya to tafia ya matu we. Do we to bo ma zugu la dia we ne wi wo hohonori ruhia. Enye hu we wi ruwa. Enye hu we wi ru. Otabu ni don't know we. Enye hu we wi ru. Awo zaga la dia we na zaga. Na se we are enu zaga fo. We tostic. Every man tostify we the streets. We are this testifier. And it's written all over you. When I see the piece in the bed, I don't got a piece in the social media. I heard you had a piece in one. Who got a new friends? Who got a new say? Why me in social media worry? I have me boy I boke present time when I was saying here. I bet la wabo. They worry you. They worry you. But get inside what they worry you. They worry you. La wa.
I don't know.
If I know your problem. I know you guys' problem. Tafia.
Guys exist. Now that lady said, you know, no say na shy get many enemy pass for their entertainment industry. If it's na ebony, na he gets many enemy pass. Yes, it's me.
You don't have enemy. You are only trying to create enemy for yourself. That is the truth. You are trying to create enmity for yourself. You are trying to give it a column and say this column is for my enemies. Those people, because you couldn't make it, you must make a fake visa. Your boy will read the fake document. You might the visa. You bond. You fabuti pute. You mujwebe. E follow the via you buy. E faboti you buy. Yeah. Nuga la UK. Nuga la Europe. Where tiari Afghanistan, where tiari Burkina Faso, where tiari all this neighboring Africa country, you are very free to go there. Mommy can like play the job with Jerry. You are not welcome for saying this. Yes, you are not welcome. Stota your wa and be there. And no car will help Mr. Solomon. All this, that is the thing you people will see for not marrying people in Nigeria, for not marrying your spec in Nigeria where you live, so that while you're away, you can boy in here, where was sit down top. When mommy anymore, why don't want no na come away, daddy show me now, show me make a come. Daddy me I go back the door. Daddy show me. But buy a home with this show me. Buy a ya marry show me husband. When mommy once in a year, once in 2 years. Don't do. Go. But why can I mean la na ivana kezo we? I can hona biana no mwe kudare. What am I dare de ya gwa. More logistic. Look here. I know the like what I to a power to them. What sees a fire you make berry ya. Me wa feel you have seized my fire. Tell you what go me 5 hours, not the 5 hours. You was a very talk give me wanna drop me. After 5 hours, say 9 with this woman. He can't be talking, but when it's an area live video now with big track baby on it, I'm going to mess with you. Who does that? Yeah, race it to death. To boy the food to boy who want to boy the program here for what week baby. Only somewhere you to talk. TikTok. Only so where me ya to tell you my baby something no. May I complain my way TikTok you walk here me. Look here. Now I like a Facebook. Home be 3 years when you are wo makaya. Look here, see me home be 3 years when I get a problem. A problem no one do take a fair matin onya. I make na damn you when my yak be sibo.
It's me. Then they converse, then they campaign. They campaign against me. in the entertainment industry.
Oh, it's of a truth. They don't they see you. Now you they see them. Now the truth that they tell you. Now you they see them. Somebody like me. I'm not gonna feel you wake up now and say people they campaign about me. For what? Why? I tell you, people around they follow the talk. My enemies. If they like they talk, even another person called me say, I saw they talk, I'll say make it shut up, make it loud. I don't want to hear because the woman I am Korea. They are not even looking at warrior. Warrior. Agamayo. Agamayo. Agbomere, agbowore, agamayo. Agbowore, agbomere, agamayo, agbo. Agomai because that dog me no ya de. That dog me no ya di agboe. That dog me no ya ire. Beg of your two no go one in here. Obey your junior sister, your late junior sister. O ma ka wudi ma ka ni awo go ka di agbon go yan kakpa. Those are the area. That your sister, blessed memory. Don't know her birth. I'm just you. I will give me. Every na kaya sagbo. I am un sompo. That dog me no ya de. When I tell you, na when if I so go raw, we get ni me ga re uptown. E we job no go. If I so no do va ma, what they know there. Even with Jamie mana, I so what they know there. Other I could say 2 years. A beg ban. Or my say 3 years. I want a German passport in any. Other they know there. Even Rivana for 25 years. 30 years, yeah, my German passport. If I'm in a deterrent, you know, 37 years of my will be fisted with one, my German passport of him. So the grace is different. Why do you double tap your job? Oh, I'm what? Why do you? I understand the what? What double tap is criminal me? Eti mo boy go me what double tap e now. Double tap it. Double tap it. What get day? Wa pe no de o de no ave yi go de double tap ya wa apin the boy wa gbe lejo wa gbele wa bara the great old po on your side o kin na gbele yo o we hian we ya kiago wa ga gbele di ga kiago na ma wa because o kin do ama wa ni ugbeso you understand me na wa yo bo mama wa mama ni ma da mi jong gege the shine na sise na my baba be this so I no get another one na my baba be this so although sise fire yo me gbere ni age we wa analyze we come we kenu na back we kenu na biego me me ready ma come o gbe me no wa mo mata were mo so na wa mata do fa mo na ti sete wa agba aye pipa likyo bi bai o ti no mo la wa Mabe no mo la wana ni o go do tabe me woni ma hewe bo we ni meji me mo bo me ga na mo ma to wan we ido mo go mo na 30 da ki do ko mi owe iye set you need to start with me e ti gba gbogbo like 1 week bana me su we 1 week ni we I will lo wa to mere yo we gbe yo we bolo we gbe ya nyaga we dross nyaga ya kwa ya da banwa.
They campaign against me. It's a secret campaign they do against me. If you guys don't know now. It's a secret campaign they go against me. That was why I was just like, oh, okay, they be fear no fear. But my darling husband, Oda Femenuwa, Oda Femeni Hesi, Odo Nekbo, I'm deeply sorry. And I'm a name. I'm sorry, my darling. I'm sorry, my darling. You when you kakabola, Janido Yekwemosu. Yes, you want when you kakabola, Janido Yekwemosu.
Asu, where is the Esu? When you are large and you do Yekwemosu. Yeah, boy. Esu Lareva. Yeah, boy. Was a Asu. Where would imagine schooner, eh? Oh, logo. When he believe ye book be. Believe ye different thing be. Oh, logo sha. Wake worry. Aesu esu aje woke davade esu ke wo eni nesu ava eni nesu wo enenesu wo mo makare wo do agwale su bibai use kana gbo wo do azu wogo wo to bo fi gbo mi wo ladi bai una nye gbo ni san una fi bi ya pe ko una gbo bi poi a pe ko una san fi fry de no yogi ma wo de eyes ma we sure dia wo esun wo wa ve enenesu mo mi we lagwa oni mate si no gigban pa o da o mere nibi Jesu melawa bo nenesu awa nenesu bo nenesu o ti de ekwe mwesu be kwe mu maga we ma di ma esu ngwe ka egboku u se ti je kwe mu because a shame and disgrace in your bueno e mama ka de gugwe ga gugwe that don't have shame and disgrace oge ogo mi are gu me ga bo o worry na go the worst part what to bo shame and disgrace in are what would mother ban on your way? So go me say, hello, check my eye. Go me. If we me for your information, irrespective, you know. Go me, motobomoga riekina de kita. De kita. You know, go no lalo, no lalo, ona zo na gikaka yao, or my hammer no lalo yafo. Or lalo, bamake. So me go even you to know. If we me. De boko ekweni ihiwe ne social media ija no ma ekwenoti abume mi medari ina kie wu na jomo we oni na me fear for wi jo wi magwalo are you okay ma de okay go na gi ma mi ana e ma ni do okay do azuzu do mo topic we ya agwali go kian anenya we bloggers who cares e me jena na monetize me ma worry ma put up a monetization because you go 50 cents, $1. We tell you the truth and we flog the hair out of you. And I will leave my platform of Eriyo. When you tell me my platform since 1972, because I know see any no truth. Wow, that's one of our make a page me up when you are mona. You must set it block a back boy. When I say Dracomi tiny page me, I don't bite if you boy no sensical boy. Or no if you boy carry no slow boy no the cloud or carry password in the cloud was zaga no sense. Oh, why you have to you musu. My sweet dear. One yes, one yes, she ma disgrace away. One yak we yella wa.
And to my amiable in-law, like that I respect and love so much, that came into this matter, I appreciate you very well. I love you, my amiable in-law, Edward. Okay? So, Monica, go and hide yourself. Why are you laying?
You see, those are the area I am talking about. How does this issue not have something to do with Monica? Monica is a blogger. She's a live video presenter. And you know, live social media, we don't call your pieces. Or my can't wait because we're more. Then when I do your face, what particular Monica mama go yo. Then when I do your face, Monica, I tell Monica Mao, I'm not interested. But in a situation like this, one more, everybody's entitled to their own opinion. They have right to shoot mat. And when they were president, they're not presenters like her. I will not be biased because she's not my friend, she's not my enemy. Why beggar, why unya never be vione woto. Igi also imana oni gunya ropa wose. So I think I wa bigo. Iwa vioni do big weneno. Iwa nya we wa ila big we to. Babare. You are not calling Monica. Monica pa oyeti. Yani kegi wodi goyo. Magiyeti magiyeni yaso. So any my worry. E sabas space dem ma road wa make no di ni o ma jobe bona. E sabas space na. Ya. They will tell you what's about space. I can be a canando ako. I can be a canako. I don't want to Bunewe Saga. Go and look at them. They are making billions. Buying house in Banana Island, buying house in VI, buying house in Lekki phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. Take their family to better holiday outside the country. When no matter take back Zan and Egbuwe. When mighty build up a life in Nigeria. Men were me na. He will come my way to well mameki. He cocky gonna ya dear webo. Oh no ponuhina 20-something years ago. 3 decades. Ya check I might work an opportunity yakbo. Aruwame, I make Bove Kawe. Mummy was you, marking and for here in Lagos Street, marking and for here in Weko. And we were able to gather money and travel abroad without a madam mamu marry, without your mamu marry. Oh, the mamu marry. Oh, the mamu very double tap ice cream. Don't be yelling. Hey, your boy, you will wap you. Get back. On not talk about banning. Talk about Sizi Maji. Wap you get boom. Get what boom out the boy. When I get AK-72. When we are moving, sister, another said, you take we are where when the Buddha is social media, I enjoy. Or what you by mistake, God that's a Kenyaji. Ye coalition way.
See, I'm not that kind of woman. Another thing is, if saga or public display of marital discomfort, if it does not break you, it will make you. It will make the home a better.
If the marital discomfort, if it did not break you, it make you. Who asked you to bring it to media? Why didn't you break his leg inside the house and call up people you know you really love so much? Who cares about you? All this, some of this live video presenter, some of all these noise makers. Why didn't you call them instead and say, "Walao, yenigije wa advice you instead of bringing that to the media"? I don't know. Let's talk about it anyway. It will break you. On a break weather. When I say break Johnson, we break the way you be. Where my here? Who am I? Who? Oh, breastfeeding. Who know that? Who know more? You are not even competent enough. Where you mama, when you win, you what the for me kikidio. The for me, there you even know all this kind of thing. Nothing. Sans la dire, firame, figure. Pas sorry.
Home. Public display as an entertainer of marital discomfort or marital disputes. Is either it destroys the marriage completely or it makes the marriage more valuable.
Seriously.
It makes the home more valuable. Opiani odo yaka kapo mujio huoni. Huoni odo kakapo ya mujio piani. That is the advantage of.
Shut up there, Gunwe. The advantage you know. Udo full leg boy. Doje boy, you know. Not the open many loopholes. Maybe you could have found. You might also have enemies. Yes. One go back and you have given them topic to speak about. We have here nothing, baby. You are Israel. We are to you, baby. You are quick Israel. Why are you not crying? You could have believed and be like trusted your family members or your husband family members who are close to you, who you can rely on, and say, Epa, sister, if you are in good rapport with the family members, they could have told you, don't bring this into media. I know a prank. I'm like media. Now, when I back a prank, no mammy, why? When my Emma, you never marry with media. Yeah, some way, you know, you play. Mammy way. Hold the phone in Latin way. Boo, what we are a prank, you know. Me, I am a slow motive, me, making a dog bell. Uzoa. Or that for when wa. Or you to bob me go to one. I be what to bob me go to boom. Mamma with social media. However, I do it myself. I must do it. If we got the coin, he come here fear me bread. Everyone want to say, "We pardon, pa must we pa, oh pa, oh baby, you have you know, baby." Why you make baby? A pida worry, mother. But what does the UK? When pass the night will do. I passed the night there. They are we are tearing me call one way. They are what we want your wound. Well, don't we? Our breastfeed don't be the agbe. They are body and way your no come making have one. Not making a nutrient. No ya balawa quick. Hello. What are you talking? We wait to do a figure when my man the demon and my man. Who said if you no figure said it's written all over you. Go and look at you see, go and look at yourself in the mirror. When you look at yourself in the mirror, whatever you see there is a failure. Woefully. You think you are smart. You want to outsmart us. No, don't no ba. Or the one only cankai. Or the one only enemy. Or the one only go. Or the one only BP. Like who look here? We see. We don't play here. You go learn. Who are learn with the difficult way? The hard way. The difficult way we are your way. You will learn to take your marital something inside. If we got the code of way. Oh, soft touch. We soft touch, pa. Oh, I'm ready. Oh, walk your make back your man for your information. Every day I'm young. You are human, young, because of winner. Or for la jam with bone, you go almost here. My brother in my heart to don in and doyo. Or say, what doyo because we doyo or doyo. Anyway, Jinanya. They all like him because we're being. I can't sleep with somebody like you. I will never. Even me when your boy will party you else this is left breast. Or him and I right. Or is it we right here come no making out day right. Or what fear wa. Or if fear for him will not get down with the he had a dojo. We go back call the door my call water. Where will baby come back? Baby come back. Baby come back. When I say baby come back. Baby come back. Baby come back. Are you a pick you? Baby come back. Are you? Oh, Sally, baby come back. No more phone. Why ya? Why ya? Gonna have you know the Babella woman. Oh, where's the way ragmuna? Kuyo. Kodu.
It's only a fool, a mumu that will not take an advantage of any situation. Okay? So in this dispute, in this public dispute, it's making our marriage.
I don't even know what you know by public dispute. Who are you disputing with? With your husband? Or with us? Or with the general public? Maybe the man by photosynthensis. The man by objective. The man by correct English. Tell him where worry. A pap log. Oh, horror many me not valuable. We are women.
More valuable. My husband now know his errors. I, the wife, also now know my errors completely. So, as an entertainer or as a public figure, no, I tell mama, no, I don't in the.
Yeah. Oh, why as an entertainer, as a public figure, but man, we're a public figure. You are only trying to mingle. The way I see you, you struggle. You want to be like other people. I want to be. I gotta be. You are struggling by all means to become. Walk by the AK-70. Walk by the AK-90. AK-45. AK-100. AK-90. Walk by as a married woman. You have all the AK in the world. When you AK say, "Yeah, man, you beg away." If I marry AK, ban you. Ya gbedi pa walk by you baby wa. Walk by Keva. One man standing. Yeah. Walk by Ke. Dawanu ye better. And I walk on a bunny, whatever bunny, general the way, general, I can't sweet, a general the way bed. As a dog by you, but for what a or carry a wool talk, when I sang be, on our quay with a be, on our bear, Canada talk, or so one. On our glen where Mamma easy shiny. Shy! Mamma is not a party in the Jenny, any etim walk back. Iya seti mwe. Ima hofia wene kia hofioi. Ima ya hofua we bien ima wagbinya zaza. Koso ria okeke. Ima ni bo be social media na to ria kokeke oguya. Igwe ri tero ni jebe joge gbomowa. Ona we do agu we kun ba di mi na we phone. E ba di mi na we condemn. Irita ni je wa re. Ona joge gbomowa. It's also talking to you as if praise Yahweh where he was organized best of the self-feather. Irita me have a wo wa no me rare ropa. We my home.
Any small thing. I know the secret. Oh, I will talk. Oh, I will talk. Oh, I will talk. Oh, any small thing. I will talk. Oh, you better just write down for your page. Write down. Make you use indirect. They talk to the person where you they talk to as a spouse. So if the spouse don't want me escalate past that one, he will call you inside. My darling, please come inside. Okay? So we have also.
Yeah, you, Larry Shanshan baby, Shanshan girl. Hell, are you hearing yourself? Sometimes after making your video, you spend time to go and listen to me. Our video, but so yeah, we read the bed. Do you spend time to go and rewatch your videos and listen to the adjective, the words you use? See the pronunciation, see all the errors, see the sentences. What about you word damn no laja no word there no bana.